Good morning, everyone. Today we will begin with a new subject, that is economic. Chapter 1 in economic is Introduction to an Economics and Introduction. Before we move on towards an introduction and towards an economic, let me tell you first what economic and actually is. Economic means having to do with the management of income, expenditure of any household business, communities, or government. It is everything to do with creating the production, distributions of good, consumptions of wealth in a proper manner, and fulfill the needs of the people in a materialistic way so that it can satisfy their needs. This is what an economics and actually is related to your household income, related towards how you manage with that income, and actual economic is. Let's begin with in textbook today. Introduction. Human beings are intellectual creatures. Only in human beings are intellectual creatures that can think of it, that can differentiate between the things, that can examine the things that is going on in its surrounding and its environment. To ensure a happy living, they have created various institutions like the social, political, and economic system to ensure that we live happily in our economy, in our world, in our life. We have created a social, a political, and an economic system. In order to understand such systems significantly, sustain them over a longer period of time, and to resolve the complexities in such time, human beings have formulated certain principles based upon various philosophies and the science. Yes, to understand such system, that is economic, political, and social system, we have understand that system significantly and to sustain for the longer periods of time. We have tried to resolve all such complexities, that is all such problems related to a human being based on certain principles, certain philosophies, and on basis of the science. In prehistoric and in the earlier historic period, human beings deal with the differences and solve certain complexities by entering in feuds, fights, and battle. Okay, feuds, fights, and battle, these are the ways where human being used to solve their earlier कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज़, मतलब उनके लाइफ में जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स आते थे वो पहले फाइट्स, बैटल्स या फिर फ्यूड्स के थ्रू सॉल्व करते थे. नाउ व्हाट इज़ फ्यूड्स? ओके, व्हाट इज़ फ्यूड्स? अ डिस्प्यूट, मतलब डिस्प्यूट करके या फिर फाइट, बिटरली क्वारल करके, फाइटिंग्स के थ्रू या बैटल्स के थ्रू दे यूज टू सॉल्व दैट. However, with the development and the progress of civilizations, human beings were able to logically resolve differences and complexities of life by creating and using the philosophical principle. ये जो initially they used to fight, they used to dispute themselves, the reason was that technology wasn't sufficient, the technology wasn't available. So they were thinking the only solutions to solve their problem was fight and the feuds and all that. But later on, as the development taking place, human beings were logically resolve the differences and complexities with the help of different technologies available to them based on some philosophy principle. And economics developed as a philosophy and a science of rational economic behavior. Okay, this was your introduction. Next topic is meaning of economic. The word economic in Indian thought is अर्थशास्त्र. यस, इंडियन इकोनॉमी में या इंडियन थॉट में हम इकोनॉमिक्स को बोलते हैं अर्थशास्त्र. ओके, विच इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम इन संस्कृत वर्ड अर्थ. Yes, the word Arthashastra is derived from in Sanskrit word earth, or earth means purpose or goal. We all must have a purpose or a goal or some of the aim in our life, so that to achieve it we live a betterment of our life. And thus, Arthashastra in Sanskrit means the science of benefits or purpose in practical life. That means अर्थशास्त्र का मतलब क्या है? The benefits. We are existing on this earth for our own benefits. The purpose in practical life. We are living on this earth for to sustain our life in a better way, to live our life in a materialistic way, and to satisfy our needs. So that is what an purpose in practical life is. It describes that the purpose of human behavior is to seek the benefit. हमारा सबका एम एक ही है कि हम अपना बेनिफिट सोचें. Yes, so the purpose of human being is to seek the benefit. Yes, we all needs our benefit. We all want our benefit in some or the other way. The English word economic is the derivatives from the Greek word eikonomos. Okay. इंग्लिश संस्कृत में था अर्थशास्त्र, इंग्लिश में ग्रीक वर्ड से इंस्पायर्ड हुआ है इकोनॉमिक, और ग्रीक वर्ड में आइकोनॉमस एक वर्ड था, विच आइकोनॉमस मीन्स हाउस होल्ड, ऑल द हाउस होल्ड थिंग्स दैट वी डू, एंड नोमन्स मीन्स द मैनेजमेंट. ओके, एंड हैंस इकोनॉमिक मीन्स मैनेजमेंट ऑफ हाउस होल्ड, दैट इज अवर डे टू डे लाइफ एक्टिविटीज ऑफ एन लाइफ that we have to manage. That is what an economic in English or in a Greek word is, which means eikonomos. Okay, next topic is economic in Indian thought. The history of Indian culture is almost more than 5,000 years old. We know that India की हिस्ट्री, जो भी हम हिस्ट्री सोशल्स पढ़ते हैं, तो मोर देन 5,000 ईयर्स ओल्ड का भी हमको जानने मिलता है. एंड दस इंडियन फिलोसॉफी डैपिक वेरियस एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ एंड प्रोवाइड इनसाइट्स इनटू अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. द फोर पुरुषास्त्र, दैट इज द फोर पर्पस ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. वी एक्चुअली एग्जिस्ट ऑन दिस वर्ल्ड, ऑन दिस अर्थ फॉर अ फोर पर्पस. एंड विच आर दोज फोर पर्पस? फर्स्ट इज धर्म, which means our rightness or our duty towards our work. Earth, that is our purpose, our benefit and our wealth. Karma, which means desire, the purpose that we have usko desire karna. And the moksha, which means liberation, and the activities of life done for earth, that is for the benefits, are subject matters of economic. Here it has been said that Indian economy में भी ये चार पुरुषास्त्र के ऊपर डिपेंड है. दैट इज अ फोर पर्पस ऑफ अ ह्यूमन लाइफ इज राइटनेस, ड्यूटी, पर्पस और द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द वेल्थ, हिज डिजायर टू अचीव दैट वेल्थ, एंड अ लिबरेशन, दैट इज अ मोक्षा. वो डिज़ायर या फिर आपका जो पर्पस या फिर आपका जो गोल है, एम है, उसको अटेन करने के लिए लिबरेशन, अ फ्रीडम मिलना आपको. एंड थर्स द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ लाइफ डन फॉर अर्थ are the subject matters of economy. And to achieve your purpose and to achieve your goal, whatever things you do, okay, वो होता है economics in actual way. Turn your page number 2. Further, it has been said that any activity done with the purpose of obtaining some benefit is called an economic activity. As I have told you before also, कि आप जो भी activity करते हो, whatever activity you do with the purpose of obtaining some benefit. Benefit could be in, benefit मतलब यहाँ पर पैसे के लिए बताया गया है. That any activity that you do for the benefit is called an economic activity. And it is one of the four goals or duties of a human being to create wealth as a means of living and for material pleasures. In other words, perform activities for our benefit. Whatever activities we do, whatever work we do is to earn and money. Yes, and that is why it has been said that, in other words, perform activities for a benefit. 2500 years ago, Kautilya, who is known as in Chanakya, discussed in his book Arthashastra the purpose of economic activity undertaken by a state and society. Chanakya, who has written in his Kautilya in his book Chanakya, has discussed about that what actually an economic activity is. Okay, he has mentioned in his book 2500 years ago. According to an Kautilya, the intentions of a human being is earth, which means wealth, the piece of land which has settled the piece of land which has human settled is earth. He has said कि earth का मतलब होता है wealth, which means the piece of land where we are living, the earth on where we exist. Yes, this is known as in earth according to him. And thus the science explaining the purpose and utilities of wealth creation on earth is called economics. He said कि ये अर्थ के ऊपर हम जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं, हम जो भी मकसद के लिए काम करते हैं, जो भी यूटिलिटीज़ करते हैं टू फॉर आवर बेनिफिट, दिस इज नोन एज इन economics according to N. Kautilya, who has mentioned in his book 2500 years ago.